Hey there, I'm Dan, the self-proclaimed Lonely Rocker. Welcome to this episode of What Does It Sound Like? This series where I demo a product and let you hear what it sounds like, but I keep my thoughts to myself and let you form your own opinion. The only catch is there needs to be some kind of special offer or a way for you to try it risk-free. In this case, it may be both. My good friends at United Plugins are killing it. Just launching in 2019, they've been releasing some great plugins on a regular schedule. And they're back again with another plugin from their analog goodness team, Soundevice Digital. I've already reviewed FrontDAW and the Royal Compressor, two plugins in a developing killer channel strip. There are links in the description if you want to check them out. I thought they might release an EQ plugin next to complete the chain, but they made a left turn and have developed Verbum Entropic Hall, a reverb plugin with vintage analog inspirations. And I'm fortunate to get a look before the release date. United Plugins describes Verbum as having an old-school Hall algorithm enriched with analog saturation. It features standard functions like pre-delay, decay, and a dry-wet knob. There are built-in high-pass and low-pass filters, and a number of functions to customize your reverb. But two settings that caught my eye are legendarism and lush. Knowing Soundevice Digital like I do, I can assume their algorithm is hardwired to these settings. If you are fortunate enough to catch this video before February 11th, 2020, United Plugins will have this available at a heavily discounted introductory price. If not, there will still be a 15-day fully functioning demo available for you to give it a try. Okay, enough yakking for me. Let's jump in and take a listen to Verbum Entropic Hall from United Plugins.
I'm building a foundation of broken dreams. Maybe weak, but growing strong. The surge that cradles my philosophy is endlessly consuming me. And if I was to fly with a broken wing, would I hurt my self-esteem? The fear that causes me to hesitate is giving me the strength I need to intervene.
Verbum. Okay, I see. You know what? I think I'm going to break rank a little bit and give you just some small thoughts on what I think about this plugin. The first thing that I noticed when I threw it on the drums is that it had this little... It doesn't matter what you think! For more information about Verbum and other plugins, please visit unitedplugins.com.